what I'm saying? He started to edit even through the camera. Best editor on YouTube, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? But today, I'ma try cooking breakfast today, you know what I mean? It's my second time ever doing it. I'm about to get the eggs and the bacon out, you know what I mean? I get this is the bacon. You know what I'm saying? I gotta cook that with the eggs. Hold on. I don't know about those eggs. Yeah, need one for sure, but like I said, it's my second time doing this shit. I kinda know what I'm doing. Not really. So I think the first thing is for you is to cut the bacon in half and use half of it, and you put the eggs. You know what I mean? You open it up and put it in here. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna do that real quick. Let me fix this. Hey, look, so, you know what I mean? I got the eggs right here. You know what I mean? You open that bit. Oh, something like that, you know what I mean? I can take all this shit out. I gotta take all this shit out. Mouthful, damn, I'm already messing up. Fuck up. You're supposed to do this a couple times, you know what I mean? Like, second time doing it. Hey, look, so next you gotta, you know what I mean, mix a bit. So I'm gonna mix it. So I feel like I'm the best cooker in AZ too. You know what I mean? Yeah, I know what I mean. I mix it really well. And I'm gonna see it in a little bit, so. Alright, look, so next thing is to cut this bacon in half. And, yeah. As you can see, I already mixed the eggs. So I'm gonna try to cut the bacon in half, you know what I mean? Look, so I'm gonna cut this bacon in half. Just gotta cut it in the middle. I'm gonna try this way. Look. Look, I'm struggling right now, so I'm gonna see y'all again, like 2 minutes. Alright, look, so I got, the bacon chopped up, you know what I mean? I got the eggs mixed, you know what I mean? And now it's to the cooking part, you know what I mean? I gotta be done by this by 1:15, you know what I'm saying? It's 12 or 52, so I'm gonna see how this shit goes. I mean, breakfast wise, I probably cooked it like 27 times in my life. Cereal, you know what I mean? We got Fruit Loops, cinnamon toast crunch in this bit. We got whatever this shit is called. You know what I mean? Then we got orange juice. You know what I mean? Orange juice. That's the key for breakfast and shit. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna let this shit warm up real quick. I'm gonna start cooking. I don't think I said this before, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. You know what I mean? Comment whatever you want. You know what I mean? So look, it's the update. It's smoking and shit. You know what I mean? I don't know if that's supposed to happen, so I had to turn on the fan real quick. And I gotta open this door real quick. You know what I mean? Cause yeah, but that's a good thing, cause I'm able to cook now. I don't know about this one. I think it, shit burning. I want to try one piece of bacon. The fuck? Oh, I'm touching everything with my hands. Dirty. I just touched the bacon. Alright, where's the little shit at? The claw shit. Oh yeah, I think you need the grease. I see this shit on YouTube or something. And here goes the egg shit. I'm gonna pour half of it in there. Just cause. Oh hell no. But this shit burns me. I might as well put the whole entire. Hold on, I need to hold this shit right. I think it's working. Let me turn up the volume. You know what I mean? Oh, I need the shit for that. What is it? Oh, where's the? It's right here. That's the best cooker in the AC. Stop playing with me now, you. I'm on. They cook for a little bit more. Oh shit, that shit making noises and shit. Is it good? Are you good? Are you good? Why did shit turn into a ball? Go back to normal. Ah, that shit burned me. I got burnt. I'm the best cooker in the AC. Stop playing with me now. You know what I mean? You know, let me ask you something. How's our day been? My day been alright. I just woke up like 30 minutes ago. You know what I mean? Yes, I go to sleep late cause I gotta edit and shit. You know what I mean? Cause that shit's super fire. I don't think this shit cooking fast. Oh shit, never mind. Look. Y'all see this bit? Yeah. I mean good quality breakfast. And look, I don't know if y'all can see little eggs and shit. You know what I mean? I don't know why, but I can't zoom in on this camera right now. You know what I'm saying? Everything doing good right now, and we lit. We finna eat breakfast good. Let me take out the orange juice. Yeah, the best juice, no fuck it, best juice of all time. Orange juice. Look, orange juice is better than apple juice. We can argue any day, anytime. Oh shit! Look at the bacon and shit right here. Oh, that shit bit crispy. That shit crispy on bro. Oh, let me get this shit. look a bit like this. Yo, what the fuck? I turned into a pancake. This how they make pancakes? Yo, I made a pancake. While I'm mixing the eggs, you know what I'm saying? We got pancakes right here. We got bacon in here. I think this is about to be done. Let me get a plate for that. Shake it off so you won't burn your feet. That's a bacon. Now I gotta put this much in. Hold up, I forgot. I need to do the eggs real quick. Look at the final product of this pancake / egg. I don't even know eggs can turn into pancakes and shit. It look crispy, you know what I mean? I need to get syrup for that. Syrup, you know what I mean? But meanwhile, I have to divide some eggs real quick. I mean, bacon. You know what I mean? Look, so the bacon is cooking right now. And I gotta finish up mixing the eggs and shit. Mix. Mixing this bit. Right here. I'm gonna try another way to try to cook them. I've seen it on YouTube. And yes, look. I did watch the YouTube tutorial. So y'all can suck my dick, you know what I mean? Before I try to cook this shit. Look, so camera just died, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna finish this video with the phone. The other way I be seeing people cooking this shit is making this bit, which I just spilled some by doing it, so I gotta be careful right here. God fucking damn, I made a mess. But in the bacon part, you know what I mean? That shit looks great. I think gotta pour out the motherfucking thing, so if I'm careful, I should be able to pour some out. You know what I mean? Pour the little juice out. Cooking the best eggs possible, you know what I mean? Damn, I'm sick still. Look, the camera just died. Well, recording. You see that bit? You know what I mean? We got pancakes with eggs or whatever. I don't know how I made this bit. We got a single bacon cooked already. That was a test run, you know what I mean? Got it. Damn me, I'm making a mess. Fuck. Oh nope, never mind. So look, so I'm gonna cook, you know what I mean? I gotta lock in real quick. And I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit. You know what I mean? I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. So. Look, so I'm back, you know what I mean? It's currently 1:31. And I was supposed to be out by right now. But the food just got done. I didn't even expect it's gonna take an hour. You know what I mean? Let me know, it's W eats or L eats. You know what I mean? I got the orange juice with the cup like this, you know what I mean? A little style points or whatever. So I think this is good eats, you know what I mean? Like this is like a good 5-star restaurant type eats, you know what I mean? So let me try the bit. Let me try the orange juice real quick. The orange juice is a 10, like always. Let me try the bacon real quick, you know what I mean? Hold on, focus on the bacon real quick, not me. I don't. Never mind. The bacon like, I say like a good 8 out of 10. You know what I mean? Some slight, you know what I mean? I need orange juice after that. Since the bacon is 8, the orange juice is 10, that's equal 18 out of 20. I'm gonna try the egg real quick. Hold up, this is actually pretty good. I'm even gonna lie. That's like a 9.5. So how much that add up to? Hold on, I'm gonna go to the the iPhone calculator real quick. 0.5, 27.5 out of 30. That's an A plus. You know what I mean? Best cooker at AZ. You know what I mean? I'm probably gonna build my own restaurant. You know what I mean? Look at the bacon and this shit crispy. You know what I mean? The eggs is perfectly yellow and white mix. The orange juice with the little wine cup is better. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Orange juice is already a 10 with the cup like this. With the cup like this, it's not like a 12 out of 10. So yeah, 2 from 20. It's a 29.5 out of 30. So look, that's gonna cap off the video real quick, cause I got places to be here now. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna catch y'all later. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, and I'm gonna see y'all later. You know what I mean?